In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the best Lume discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Lume discount code. Right here, go to this website, which is called couponfollow.com. So as you can see right here, we have some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. For example, right here, if you want to get this one with 15% discount, you can simply tap on this promotion and the promo code will show up right here. As you can see, you can simply tap right here on the copy button to copy this promo code, and you can use this one on your next purchase to get the 15% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find this website, which is called simplycodes.com, and open it. As you can see right here, we also have some promo codes that we can use, and we have also the today's best deal. So if you want to use this one with the free shipping, you can simply tap right here to copy the code. And this is the promo code for a free shipping. You can tap right here to copy this promo code and apply this one on your next purchase to get that free shipping. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.